Check if a number is even or odd. I'll show you exactly how your brain should think to write each line. So before we write a single line of code, let's understand what even and odd even mean. Imagine you have a pile of apples. If you can split them into two equal piles with nothing left over, that's even. If you try to split them and one pile has one extra apple, that's odd. So the question is, how do we check that with code? What's the leftover? In programming, there's this magical tool called the modulus operator. It looks like this. What does it do? It gives you the leftover after division. See the pattern. If leftover is 0, it's even. If leftover is 1, it's odd. That's the core idea. So our question becomes, is the leftover 0? First, I pick a number. Let's say 5. If 5% 2 equals 0, it means, is the leftover of 5 equals 0? If yes, I'll say it's even. That's why I write here, print, even. Otherwise, it must be odd. Else, I print, odd. When I run this with 5, what happens? 5% 2, which has leftover 1. Like same as apples, we have 5 circles, we divided them into 2 equal parts, and we have 1 leftover, which is our reminder. So, 5% 2 equals 1, so it prints odd. If I change it to 6, it prints even. So this was a logical thinking behind even and odd program in Python. But here's the problem, every time I want to check a new number, I have to change the code. That's boring. Tell me solution guys in comments.